All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. These commonly confused words of the day. So compliment and complement. So compliment, something that improves or allows extra things to work. They complement each other. They complement each other and help us work faster and easier. This tool should complement you perfectly. Yes, it's perfect fit for you. Just what you need to get the job done. Yes, we think that these foods will complement your diet. Doing these exercises will help complement your workout. Yeah, these extra things are perfect just for you. And compliment, show your approval or liking of something. He gave the office a compliment. He likes her and gave her a compliment. A compliment. He always gives them a special compliment when they've done a good job. Yeah. They like it when you compliment them on their cooking. Giving someone a compliment can mean a lot to them. Yeah, compliment. Yeah, very good. So complement, it'll fit together and help you or be part of something perfectly. I am a perfect complement to the team. Yeah, to the team. And compliment is, showing your liking of something. I gave her a compliment as I liked her dress. I complimented her on her dress. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use complement and complement in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.